I'm gonna put this wig on, and if it's cute, we're gonna continue the video. If it's not, then I'm exiting. Like, it's just gonna say thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Asia Like the Continent, but you can call me Asia B, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, why can't I breathe? If this is your first time stopping by, just hit the subscribe button for the one time. You don't even need to wait for it. And if you're returning, you already know. Thank you. So yeah, so today's video we are going to be talking about a wig. This is my first ever type of video like this. So I got this wig from CITYREPUBLIK. It's a black owned business. On Instagram I've seen them. It's like a natural curly type of situation. I'm very excited. Don't know where I'm about to wear this wig to, because I'm literally in the house, and I'm in the house and occasionally see my boyfriend maybe, but we don't do nothing, and then I'm in the house. So yeah, so I just bought this, you know, because I like to get cute sometimes while I'm at home. I have not even opened it yet. I like to get cute making like TikTok videos. Oh, I'm on TikTok, so go ahead and follow me there. Been at home, like I said, and been doing my jewelry. That's been really popping off lately, and I'm really appreciative of all of that. Yeah, and just been planning for my future and everything. So when you open it, it says, "Hey curl friends, you've received your curls. Your collection is off to a good start. Now here's how to get her camera ready. While playing in your new beautiful curls, feel free to add your favorite conditioner to freshen it up. Trimming the wig to customize its shape so your face can be tricky." I don't know. I've never cut a wig, so I don't plan on cutting it today. Okay, and we do not recommend, okay, yeah, without prior experience, exactly. Hair instructions: if you're taking care of your curls daily, then you wouldn't have to revive them. Ooh, they dragging somebody. After using the curls, put it back into the original packaging or place on a wig stand, especially if you have looser curl patterns like Nia. But if you have a kinkier wig like Jade or Cheyenne, you could sleep in it and it looks better the next morning. If you want to add heat, you can add premium heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We do not recommend it. It breaks every coil. You can also get it wet. Use whatever shampoo you like. Make sure you do not blow dry it, but let it air dry. Okay, I love that, because you know, sometimes we get a wig and we don't know what we can or cannot do to it. So I'm really appreciative of them laying it out for us, and then just has to stay in touch and all their information. And I'll be sure to put that in the bio. So yes, I got Jade because she just looks so big and curly and bouncy, and I'm really excited. This is the cover of it. Really cute. Let's see. You ever get a new wig and be scared to take it out, and like, cause you don't know? That's how I feel right now. But okay. They included a wig. Ooh, somebody calling. But yeah, they included a wig cap, so that's great, because I definitely bought some just in case. Bought some more. I definitely have at least 20 in my house, but I couldn't find one, and I'm very upset about it. But anyways, here you gotta take the hairnet off. Okay. So this is, we're gonna shake her out. Hold on. This is Jade. Everybody meet Jade. Really curly. She reminds me of like the crochet braids that I usually get, and that's what really made me want to get her. I'm really scared because it just looks, where's the bang? The bang. Okay, maybe people be cutting it to bangs, and I don't. We're gonna pray about it. Okay, so yeah, so this is what it looks like. It feels really nice. I'm able to put my fingers through it, and it's not like getting really tangled up, which is great. But it does, I've seen a lot of people wear this, and it gets bigger over time as you wear it. So that's what I'm excited for. But yeah, this is gonna be my cute, like, ooh, I don't really like my hair right now. It's kind of cute, but sometimes it don't be looking cute. Then I don't feel like filming or doing nothing. So I can throw this on and be good. And it's winter, or not winter. Sorry, it's fall. So I'm okay with wearing like bigger hair because I'm not gonna get as hot quickly, you know? So it does have straps in the back. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we do have straps in the back. And then it has combs in the back and the front. So it's gonna be secure. And you can adjust whatever, you know, if you want it tighter or looser, so that's good. Listen, I have not put a wig on in maybe a year. I'm gonna say 1.5 years, almost 2 years. Do I know how to put one on still? I don't know. Is it like riding a bike? Maybe. So I don't really feel like I would need to braid down my hair because of the size of the wig and because my hair is short. I mean, it's growing though, but it's short, so I should be okay. Let's see if my head is small enough to fit in this gap. Listen. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, we in there. We in there. Hold on. This might be. Listen. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put this wig on. And if it's cute, we're gonna continue the video. If it's not, then I'm exiting. Like it's just gonna say, thanks for watching. Okay. Okay, Jesus, Lord, Father God. Okay. Let me make sure though, because I do got a big head. We need all the stretch we can get, okay? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Wait a minute. I would definitely need to shape her. Wait, okay, hold on. So we've determined that it is cute, but I want like bangs and then, so, ooh. It's cute though. She has volume, she's soft, she's light, she's not heavy on the hair, on the head. She's cute. My auntie just called me Shaka Khan. Listen, that's what I'm trying to give you real quick. I feel for you. You know I love you. Hey, hold on. But yeah, this is cute. It was, does it have a receipt? Let's see. It didn't say the price on here, but I believe it was $63. I'll definitely leave the price what it really was. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I love that you are able to wash it to make sure it is wearable for a very long time. I definitely, if you know how to like cut layers and stuff, you will need to do that for this. I've never cut a wig, so I don't plan on cutting the wig. So I'm gonna send it to one of my friends who can cut wigs, or I might pray on it and decide I want to cut it myself because I really want some bangs. Like I want a little bang right here. I think that would be really cute. But this is really cute. But yeah, I'm trying to revamp my wig collection. Just because. Really cute, really love. It was fast shipping. I got it on like last week. It came within a week, so that was really good. But yeah, let me know what you think. Listen, if y'all like she look like, I don't know, but don't come for me because I already know I need to cut it. And we'll be back when I cut it. I'm gonna do a little update, like, oh, look at y'all, look. And that'll be it. I just want to get this out there. If anybody been like, I wonder, well, this is what you're gonna get yourself into. But it's really cute. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I hope you guys are staying safe, staying inside, masks up, hands washed. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.